Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Gemini. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Gemini. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other deck. Gemini, with these cards, I feel you are charmed, you're feeling charmed with your person, great attraction towards them, okay? It is unbelievable on your part. So, you are having few doubts in your mind, okay? You're feeling insanely attracted to them. So you have this doubt, okay, whether someone can be so charming, so good, and but you want this relationship to work, guys. You're feeling responsible, you want to make it work, okay? So you may be discussing about this with your friends, your family, um, okay? So about this relationship, whether it is true, okay, whatever that person is feeling, whatever you're reciprocating, or maybe uh, there is something behind that cute innocent face, so you are having little doubts about it, okay? So you have to be what to say, see the truth, guys. You have to be watchful. That is the energy here, but you want commitment with this person, you love them a lot, so you need to be sure about it. So that is the energy here. Or they may not be sure about this connection, guys. Um that is also the energy here. They may not feel that what to say, 100% confidence in this relationship, about this connection, okay? Something is making them doubt, or something is making you doubt about this. Maybe you're feeling, what to say, totally unreal to see someone so good and so nice, in so many facets, okay? You just can't believe yourself, somebody to be so good, so you're having doubts. That is the energy I'm getting here, Gemini. Let me pick out three more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see how we can clear up, how we can get clarity regarding your situation. High priestess. So Gemini, these cards, with these cards, I feel there is something secretive about this person. Okay, your doubts may be true. We do not know now. Okay, you need time to see the truth for yourself, guys. They may be hiding some kind of secrets, or some secrets may be revealed to you, okay? But you need to work for it, guys. So you need to communicate with this person if you really like the person, and if you're not sure about them, you need to speak out your doubts, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. You need to work if you want to make this relationship work. If you want to make this relationship move forward, okay? If you want to be this person, you need to clear your mind of the doubts, guys. Or in your work, you may be having people, okay? what to say, bickering about you, taking credits for your work, okay, and they may be what to say, burdening you with their work, and they may not even give you credit for it, may not even appreciate you, okay, but you're feeling very responsible for everything, and they may just use you, okay, use you for your abilities. That is the energy here. So for some of you all it may concern your work also. For some of you all it may be in your relationship. You're very much attracted to this person, and you don't know, you have serious doubts whether they are true, okay, to the qualities they are showing, whether they are truthfully so good, okay. So you are in a serious doubt situation. Maybe some of your doubts may be true, but we just need time to wait to find out whether they are true, guys. That is the energy here. You need to speak to them, guys. You need to speak to them, discuss about your doubts. Only then you will get clarity. Let me pick out one more card, Gemini, from the other deck. Let's see what's coming up. Enlightenment. Okay. So that is the energy here. You have to wait. You will get a clear understanding within yourself when you, what to say, be quiet and open your mind to the other person. When you tell them what you feel in your heart, okay, you will surely get an answer, guys. You will reach your solution. So that is the energy here. That is what I was telling you all. You just need to be quiet, calm. If you can discuss with your person, or you can think about the situation, okay, which caused you doubts, and have a clear thinking, you will get the solution within yourself. So whatever it is, you have to come to a conclusion, guys. One thing, you can go and discuss with them about your doubts, or you can think within yourself and wait for the answer. You will surely get the answer, guys. That is the energy here, Gemini. Thank you all for watching, Gemini. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye.